This is how to create project in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, go to projects and click this plus icon and choose a project template available on the left hand menu. Let's try design and we will choose project management. Let's say front page, design, and we will create project. And you can add team members and assign roles. I'll skip this one first. And your project front page design is ready. You can add to the list and in progress, and for your finished work, you can put it in done. So this is how to create project in Jira.